So now we discuss UGC NET 2016 August paper, paper 3. The first question: lateral planetation theory. So lateral planetation theory of pediment formation was propounded by Gilbert. Most of the details of the world's topography belongs to Cenozoic era. So world's topography belongs to Cenozoic. The concept of base level erosion, Powell. Assertion and reason. So first is the velocity of moving ice increases with steepness of slope of the area and thickness of glacial ice. The velocity of moving ice increases with slopes of the area and thickness of glacial ice. So the second is the velocity decreases in the sides owing to lesser depth of ice and friction against the velocity wall and the bottom floor. So both are correct and R is not correctly explained. So देखिए the velocity of moving जब ice velocity जो increase होता है and steepness slope होता है area का thickness the area and the thickness of the glacial ice का and increase होता है तो and second the velocity decrease होता है on the sides owing lesser depth of ice जब ice का lesser depth होता है and friction against the valley wall and the bottom floor. So both are correct but not explained to A. Next question. No, it is not. Okay, next question. It is again assertion and reason. So in the Pacific island volcanic eruption and are effusive type. So Pacific island of volcanic eruption are effusive type. It is correct. And region less viscous lava erupts quietly. So less viscous lava erupts quietly. It is true. So both are correct. So less viscous lava erupts quickly, and that's why in the Pacific island volcanic eruption are effusive types. So both are correct and correctly explained. Next, Gutenberg discontinuity is found between mantle core. Mantle and core. Please remember. Important question. And which of the following groups of scholars states the role of lateral planation by stream in the formation of pediments? So Blackwelder, Johnson and Page. So scholars stressed the role of lateral planation by stream in the formation of pediments. So Blackwelder, Johnson and Page. Match Lister and Lister. So theory of cavern formation and scholars. So two cycle theory mainly given by Davis, and water table theory given by Swaneton, and study water zone theory mainly Gardner, and invasion theory mainly given by Malott. Next, the cold and dense downward wind flowing from mountain slopes during night is known as katabatic wind. So mountain slope mainly during night time flowing downward side. So katabatic. And next is 0 point of the dash temperature scale represents temperature at which the molecular motion is presumed to cease. So it is mainly Kelvin. The 0 point of the Kelvin temperature scale represents the temperature at which the molecular motion is presumed to cease. Next, at an air temperature of 50 degree Fahrenheit with actual vapor pressure 4.6 HPA and saturated vapor pressure 12.3 HPA would have a relative humidity of 37% relative humidity. Next, Which one of the following correct sequence of the cloud types and warm front away from the trailing edge? Warm front away from its trailing edge. So first is pneumostratus, then altostratus, then cirrostratus, and then cirrus. So correct sequence of cloud types. So next we discuss another question. Okay, so thank you.